Got a toilet that's looking a little worse for wear? Stubborn stains making it look like a lost cause? Don't worry, we've got a quick and powerful fix for you. Start by generously sprinkling powdered laundry detergent inside the bowl, focusing on those extra grimy spots. Next, pour in some white vinegar. Watch as it fizzes to life. This dynamic duo kicks grime to the curb. Now, boost the cleaning power with a splash of hydrogen peroxide. Just a little goes a long way. Grab your toilet brush and scrub thoroughly. Give it at least a solid minute of elbow grease, especially over the most stubborn stains. In just moments, you'll see those stains vanish before your eyes. The result? A toilet so clean, it practically sparkles. Simple, effective, and oh so satisfying. Try it today and let your bathroom shine like never before. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel.